Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Yamini Rao, a former space scientist at Cambridge University. I've always believed that space science is for everyone. You don't need to be a professional scientist to appreciate the beauty and complexity of the universe. That's why I started this channel, to break down complex concepts into easy to understand, engaging content that anyone can enjoy. This video will guide you through the basic understanding of the universe, the scale of universe, and the life cycle of the stars. So let's get started. So what exactly is astronomy? At its core, astronomy is study of everything that is beyond the Earth's atmosphere. It covers a huge range of topics, from the sun and the planets in our solar system to distant galaxies and the very fabric of the universe itself. Astronomy can be broken down into several branches, like observational astronomy, which involves using telescopes and other instruments to observe celestial objects, and theoretical astronomy, which focuses on modeling and explaining these observations. What's amazing about astronomy is that it allows us to understand our place in the universe. By studying the cosmos, we learn about the origins of everything around us, from the smallest particle to the largest structures in space. One of the most mind-blowing aspects of astronomy is the sheer scale of the universe. It's hard to comprehend just how big everything is. So let's break it down. Let's start from our home, Earth. It's a tiny planet orbiting the Sun, which is just one of the billions of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way, in turn, is just one of the billions of galaxies in the observable universe. The distances involved are truly staggering. To give you an idea, light from the Sun takes 8 minutes to reach Earth, but light from the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, takes over 5 years. And when we talk about galaxies, we are looking at distances measured in millions or even billions of light years. So when we observe distant galaxies, we are actually looking back in time, seeing light that has traveled for billions of years to reach us. That's how vast our universe is. And in this vast universe, we have millions and millions of stars, which have their own different life cycles. So stars are the building blocks of the universe, and they have fascinating life cycles. They are born, they live, and eventually they die, leaving behind remnants that can tell us a lot about the universe's evolution. Stars begin their lives in massive clouds of gas and dust called nebulae. Under the right condition, gravity pulls this material together to form a protostar. As the core gets hotter and denser, nuclear fusion ignites and the star is born. This is the main sequence phase, where a star spends most of its life fusing hydrogen into helium. But what happens when a star runs out of fuel? Well, that depends on its mass. Smallest stars, like our Sun, expand into red giant before shedding their outer layers, leaving behind white dwarf. Larger stars, however, go out with the bang as a supernova, leaving behind either a neutron star or a black hole. These stellar remnants are incredibly dense. For example, a neutron star is so dense that a sugar cube sized amount of its material would weigh as much as all of the humanity combined. Next up, let's talk about planets. Our solar system is a home to 8 planets, each unique in its characteristics. From rocky Earth-like planets to gas giants like Jupiter. These planets formed from the same rotating disk of gas and dust that gave birth to our Sun. Over time, they merge into the diverse world which we see today, each with its own climate, atmosphere and a potential for hosting life. But what about planets beyond this, beyond our solar system? They are called exoplanets, and they have become one of the exciting areas of astronomical research. Thanks to different exoplanetary space missions like Kepler and TESS, which we'll talk about in future videos when we'll talk about different space missions. These missions are sent out in the hope to discover thousands of exoplanets, many of which could be similar to Earth, because studying these exoplanets is crucial for understanding how common planetary systems are in the universe and whether one of them might harbor life.